So you see, we've started with the highest intent, divine intent of Ma in Dwali, with the light and being the light, embodying the light. And then, as Sri Devi said, the intent, joy, create for the sake of creating. That's her intent from soul. Then Travini begins to imagine, use this incredible power of imagination. And the third aspect that we're going to be working with, and we'll give you time to do this for yourself, is move into the goals, divine goals. And Ma speaks about this in Power of Your Minds, goals as future memories. Wow, those two terms don't really go together, do they? Future memories. Because you can pick a memory from, let's say, pick a memory, a happy memory from your childhood. Any memory. I remember when I was 6 years old and I thought I could run so fast. I'm running and so fast. I come into the house and I said, Dad, I know I can beat you. Let's go out and have a race. So we run out, we have a race. I'm running. And to my dismay, my father beat me. So, but it was a joyful thing. It wasn't like, oh, my father beat me. It was joyful. We were laughing and I was laughing at myself. Now that memory got very real, didn't it? I can see what I was wearing. I could see the houses around. I could see my exhilaration. I could see my feeling. Now, question, do you think my father remembers exactly what I remembered there? His memory has got to be completely different than my memory. But it's vivid for me. And why is it that we relate to our past memories as they're really real and our future memories aren't as real? So when we're creating a future memory, we can create it just as real as a past memory. And what does that include? Because we're creating all of it anyway. But let's imagine a future memory that is what would be contained in that. It would have to be specific. You'd even know what you were wearing. You'd know what you'd feel. You could talk about it as if it has happened in the future and bring it into our reality. So that's what we're talking about when we're talking about divine goals inspired by imagination, but yet still has all the specificity of goals. It has the specificity of time. And oftentimes when we bridge that into those specifics, it can be contracting. Like, oh, I have to do it now. Oh, what does that mean now? So any of that energy, you just want to let it flow through. And oftentimes doubts come up too, saying, who do you think you are? You think you could do that? So relax on that as well. Have the doubt come up and go, okay, poof. Because the closer you get to what we consider our real reality, then all of it has a chance to come up as well. And it's designed that way. So those are the 3 different aspects.